The 14th King George's Own Ferozepur Sikhs was a regiment of the British Indian Army. They can trace their origins to the regiment of Ferozepur, formed in 1846. The regiment had a number of different titles over the following years: the 14th Bengal Native Infantry 1861 to 1864, the 14th Regiment of Bengal Native Infantry 1864 to 1885, the 14th Regiment of Bengal Native Infantry 1885 to 1901, the 14th Sikh Infantry 1901 to 1903, and finally, after the Kitchener reforms of the Indian Army in 1903, the 14th Ferozepur Sikhs. Further changes in name followed: the 14th Prince of Wales's Own Ferozepur Sikhs 1906 to 1910, the 14th King George's Own Ferozepur Sikhs 1910 to 1922. To honor the visit of the Prince and Princess of Wales to India, they took part in the Rawalpindi Parade 1905. In World War I they took part in the Gallipoli Campaign with the 29th Indian Brigade and the Mesopotamia Campaign with the 51st Indian Brigade, 17th Indian Division. In the post-World War I reforms of the Indian Army, they were amalgamated into a large regiment and became the 1st Battalion 11th Sikh Regiment. After the independence of India, the regiment was allocated to the present-day Indian Army. Battle and Amphitheatre Honours: Lucknow 1878, Afghanistan 1878, Ali Masjid, Defensive Chitral 1895, China 1900. The Great War name changes: Regiment of Ferozepur, 14th Bengal Native Infantry, 14th Regiment of Bengal Native Infantry, 14th Regiment of Bengal Native Infantry, 14th Sikh Infantry, 14th Ferozepur Sikhs, 14th Prince of Wales's Own Ferozepur Sikhs, 14th King George's Own Ferozepur Sikhs. Campaigns: Siege of Lucknow, Second Anglo-Afghan War, Boxer Rebellion, World War I. Post-independence campaigns.